Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I am going to make a bottle, I'm going to paint a bottle, and that you can use it as a vase or you can use it as any decorative piece in your house. Also, I'm going to give it some aesthetic look, so stay with me till the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's quickly get into the video.
So for this we need bottle, colors and paint brushes. So I'm going to first cover this full bottle with white color. You just need to do a single coat of white color so that we can cover its green part. Don't worry if it is messy, you just need to cover it. And then I'm going to take this Itsy color. It's from Itsy, and color this full bottle with this chalk paint. Chalk paint gives a matte finish to the bottle. So now the base is white, so it will give really nice texture of this color. So let's paint it fully. So it might look messy right now, but the finished look will look really nice. So now this is going to be the finished look of that beige color. Isn't it looking beautiful? It's matte. I'm going to take this copper color and I'm going to start painting this color. I'm going to give it anywhere, wherever I like, at the top, at the bottom, in the middle. And then I'm going to use another colors as well, like I'm going to use blue color and green color, and then I'm going to make leaves on it and flowers on it. So it is completely up to you, whatever things you want to make over the bottle. So it's like just coloring the bottle with different colors in different parts of the bottle. So like this, I have given this copper color at the top and at the bottom of the bottle. And now like this, I have done this blue color, and then I have made white leaves over it, some black leaves over it, and this is the final look of the bottle. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like this video.